Come on. The life of recording yourself dolo. Or trying to add audio, good audio, great audio, and also pressing record. Just trying to do everything at once, man. God damn, this is like my third or fourth attempt to shoot this video. But we're gonna get it done. We're not gonna complain. It's just God.
Don't take it to the heart if you don't hear from me. Just had to take some time to get myself right mentally. With all this shit going on, get right spiritually. Ain't my family, ain't my money, you could be missing me.
Alright, so I need to address something. A lot of you guys bought my vendor list, you sent the emails, and nothing happened in return. Now, I'm not gonna act like that didn't happen. The industry isn't the problem. It was the approach, and most of that is on me. I take full responsibility. But don't get discouraged, man. The opportunity of telecom drone work in this industry is real. It's very real. Stay with me throughout this video, and I'm gonna change how you feel about that. What's going on? It's your boy Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and I'm back with another one. What's good, man? It's been a minute. Not gonna lie. Your boy been on the road. Your boy been catching flights. Your boy been on the West Coast. And then I've been missing flights. Flying through Atlanta, I've been missing flights. It's all been jacked up, all been messed up. But you know what? We're here right now. We're gonna explain a few things, and I'm excited to, announce in my previous inspections, well, this month, I hit a personal record of 71 sites in 5 days. That's right, 71 sites in 5 days. Now, the scope of work, it wasn't as tedious as my other inspections when I go to different, locations. This was pretty minimal, very minimal. A drone flight, civil capture overalls, which I could take photos with the drone, and that was pretty much it. So I went from going 10 a day doing regular capture, if it was all bunched up, to 15, 16 a day, just pushing myself, man, to see what I can do to test my real ability. And I proved myself, again, 71 sites in 5 days. Pretty fucking amazing, I can't lie. I'm gonna toot my horn on this one. I'm gonna toot it. I'm gonna toot it. But enough of that. First and foremost, man, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I want to salute to all my new subscribers, salute to all my previous subscribers. And, man, just thank y'all for rocking with me through these videos, man, and being interested in drone work and being interested in the telecom industry, besides the telecom industry, and being interested in the utility industry. Because I'm seeing with my own eyes, it is rapidly growing. It's starting to make its way to the East Coast, which I am appreciative. Now, the finances, they're good, but they're not the same as when I did work in San Diego. But the opportunity and, them having that opportunity for drone pilots. So if you're wanting to get into the utility industry, man, as far as being a field inspector, there are a lot of opportunities that these utility companies are they're expanding into the drone world. So be on the lookout for that, man. And again, the drone industry is looking pretty promising. Now you might have to cross platforms as far as utilities because it is kind of federal, but you're willing to invest, you can have some money coming in. Now, we are going to address the no replies in the emails, how you should be approaching these companies, and just consistently following up. So I am going to be looking back and forth. I jotted a lot of things down just so I can have some structure to my video. So I'll be back and forth. Very important stuff. So I'm going to first off answer this question that I get a lot. Is the telecom drone inspection market actually real, or is it oversaturated? Truthfully, it's not oversaturated. It's very real. Within 2 months, I made So yes, it is very real. Yes, you have to be flexible. Yes, you have to get off your ass and go get it. Yes, you're gonna have to travel if you want to make money. Yes, you have to be efficient, proficient, on your shit. Yes, it is very real. Yes. 5G, man, it's steady growing. It's steady growing. Then I don't know how true it is, but I seen something about 6G. So I've been doing this since 2018, and it's 2026. That explains it. Yes, I've been cross working between utilities and telecom, but again, I've been doing telecom since 2018. So that goes to shows that it's here to stay. And truthfully, places like Kentucky, there's been quite a few places where I went there for Dish, then had to go back for AT&T, and then had to go back for T-Mobile. So its inspections are routine. They're making it routine. So yes, it is actually real. You can make real money. How to make 6 figures flying a drone? I'm living proof, man. And again, it's not saturated for serious pilots, man. If you want to get in this industry, you got to make a way in this industry. And with the vendor list, I feel like it worked, but I also feel like you guys just expect 1 or 2 emails to get you there. Like I'm gonna use a company in particular, like who I reached out to, but never gave up, but ended up hearing from them maybe like 2 months after I initially applied. Florida Drone Supply. If they already have pilots, or if all these vendors already have pilots, that's one thing you gotta. That's like the first thing you gotta understand. They already have pilots. So you being a new person in the industry with no experience, or if you have some experience, with there being a lot of pilots, they're not just gonna you send your email, hey, blase, blase, blase. I have my part 107, such and such and such. Oh, come on. No. They may see yours is already somebody who's already more qualified than you. Or if they just haven't gotten to your email yet, you have to make sure they get your email or your resume. So send shit 5 to 10 emails, damn near 20. You know, in life, you're gonna get a lot of no's, but then a yes is gonna come. So just by you sending emails, that's just one form of reaching out. Follow these people on LinkedIn. Get these people phone number. Call. Hey, I am Jamal A. Uh, yeah, I seen that you guys were hiring for a drone pilot in telecom. Um, I have my I have all my credentials. I have years of experience. Even if you don't have no years of experience, I have some experience in telecom. I have all my credentials. Yeah, I sent my resume to you. I was just trying to make sure you guys got it. And if you have it, is it possible that I speak to the person that's over telecom? So blah, like you gotta make your I had to call them like three to 5 times. And guess what? I ended up getting invited out to an infield training to start working with them guys. But who I'm working with now, they're kind of blessing me with work, so I haven't had the opportunity to actually do any field work with them yet. But it's a process. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a process. Just because you send one email, you're not going to instantly get hired. Like this is not the microwave thing. You know what I'm saying? And again, with the vendor list, I'm not guaranteeing you anything. With the vendor list, with the ebook, with the done for you email, it's all for you to be prepared and readiness for if the opportunity comes. You get me? You get me? So I'm giving you a step, but you have to follow through and keep following through. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get the elephant out the room, man. Also, get on LinkedIn, get on Indeed. Like, even though I have an opportunity to work right now, I'm still constantly looking for other opportunities. I'm a contract, I'm not W-2. So I'm just always actively looking, like just to see and to inform you guys, like to help you guys out. Always stay on these job forums, make connections with these drone vendors because they have pilot networks. Get into their networks, man. Another thing, man, most of you guys don't know, like with B2B, when you email in B2B, like it's out of every 1 to 5, they're not looking at. So just put yourself in position to get selected. Put yourself in a position to get selected. I found this guy who I actually connected with on LinkedIn. He's always sending out, or he's always reposting opportunities in the utility space. Sometimes some of them may be telecom, but in the utility space, this guy name is Brian H. Hunter Sr. on LinkedIn. I want you guys to add him every day, all day. He's posting job opportunities. They may be utility. Most of them I've seen have been utility or just a drone opportunity in general. Make sure you add that guy or connect with him on LinkedIn. Let's get to it. The 2026 Premium Telecom and Utility Vendor List. And before I tell you what's in it, I want to be very clear. This is not the same list as before. I repeat, this is not the same list as before. I really dug in and found different links, different opportunities, different vendors, different companies, all of the above. Try to go above and beyond and try to help you guys out with the opportunity to put yourself in position to get on with the company, with vendors. Let's go. All right. So if you click the link in my bio, you will find a link to the 2026 Premium Vendor List within telecom and utilities. The companies are actively hiring drone pilots right now. And with the registration links, outreach templates, I'm giving you a 7-day action plan that's going to get you in the door, or at least help you out to get in the door. Pilot networks and platforms. This could save a lot of frustration and a lot of unanswered emails. You register on their portal, you register once, get matched up with job opportunities, inspection companies. These are the ones that hold the actual contracts with carriers and tower owners. These are the ones you could outreach to. These have formal vendor approval process. Job boards and communities where contracts get posted publicly so you can see them first. Every company has a registration link or a direct approach, 3 email templates, and a 7-day action plan for you to get the ball rolling. To do the follow-up, get yourself in the door. It's going to be on you. Put yourself in position to get some cash flowing with your drone. This is not a list that you look at once. This is a complete system. So what I'm trying to do is, man, build a community to where I can actually help people win and not just a product. If the first resource didn't get you there, I heard that, and I'm trying to correct that. So I took this seriously. If you're interested in it, make sure you click the links below. Drop a comment below and tell me, were you one of the ones that purchased the first vendor list? How did it go for you? Let me know in the comments, man. I'm trying to, better myself each drop, better myself in each situation, better myself with each person. So the more feedback, the better, the more corrections I can make personally. So make sure you like and subscribe. Like this video. I like any feedback, good or bad. You know what I'm saying? Only way to really succeed is to be criticized and how you respond to the criticism. So I'm open for everything. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Shoot us touch. We out, baby.